Today we're doing an almost a 5-year review of Razer Viper Ultimate. Hey everyone, I am Ellie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're thinking of getting this mouse or something similar in the same product line, I hope this video is helpful. So let's start with a quick throwback of an unboxing video that I posted 5 years ago. Alright, time flies. Years later, and here we are. Let's talk about the appearance first. I had to slap a sticker on mine because, battle scars. And for something that's being used on daily basis, like daily abuse, it's holding up okay. I'm not one of those girls with the long nails, but even after all this time, the coating and texture are clean. It still looks decent, but from a distance. When you look closer, you can see the wear and tear. Check this part, where you have your finger point touches. This is the comparison video, day 1 and today. The sticker won't come with the package, but I strongly recommend that you should get the stickers to protect the mouse if you think the appearance will bother you at the end of days. And for the switches though, still a champ. After years of games like mobile games, action games, and whatever nonsense games that I've played, they are still clicky, responsive, and sound really good. I just say no mushy feel, no double click issues. I had some fans talking about those issues, but they never happened to me. Let's listen to the sound of clicks. This is sound like day 1, and this is sound like today. Still clip. I'm not even surprised. I've been Razer fan for almost 10 years. They've had their ups and downs, sure, but when it comes to that tactical feel, Razer just know how to nail it. The dock, I actually stopped using it about 1 year ago. At the first point, I thought it was the dock's fault, like maybe the touch point on the base was dead. But I went and bought a third-party dock, thinking that would fix it. Nope, the mouse still wouldn't charge. That's when I realized it's the touch point on the mouse that's messed up. So every single time I want to charge it, I had to sit there and manually line up, trying to find that one angle. Eventually I just gave it up. I stopped using that dock and charging the mouse by using a cable that coming with the package. So this whole dock situation or whatever touch point design is under the mouse is the weakest part of the entire setup. It just looks nice on the desk. And for the battery life, my recommendation to you is do yourself a favor. When you are not using it, switch it off. Or that little snake gonna suck your battery dry overnight. The wireless connection is good, not like the Razer Black Widow keyboard I reviewed before. This mouse has no lags and better than some newer models I've tested. For the comfort level is still really good. It's light, it fits my hand perfectly, and I've used it for everything like gaming, video editing, like office work. Even though I moved on to a new mouse, check the link above for that review. I still come back to this mouse. It just fits. If you've got a small or medium hands or like ambidextrous designs, you can get this one. So yeah, after almost 5 years later, the Razer Viper Ultimate is still okay if you can ignore the appearance part and that absolute joke of the dock. The solution to them is to change the stickers when you need and using that cable to charge it. And that cable is coming with the package, so you don't really need to pay for it. Thanks for watching, and I'm Ellie. My channel is me doing reviews on gaming and tech and sometimes renting. So if you are the first time here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!